quickly before Lachlan comes. Today I'm going to be pranking him so badly. And the video just happened and I'm now doing it. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing the 3 colors of the glue slime challenge part 2. I did it in another video and I got pretty good colors. It's the same colors this time and the goal is the bad one again because that just ruined all these. And you already know what the colors are, the same as last time, so let's get started. My sister's going to mix them up for me.
Look away,
I'm going to close my eyes.
Look away. Look away. 180 degrees.
Okay, just do this. Make sure I'm actually looking right.
Okay.
Okay.
Look away. I have to do it again.
No, I didn't see the guy. I didn't see the others.
Okay, go.
Okay.
No. You're not supposed to turn around.
Okay. I picked this one. This is hopefully good color. This one and this one. No! I got the gold! And I didn't get any of the blues. I wanted blue. Okay. Last video when I did this, it was great, but now this time didn't go so well. So look at this, boom. Okay, I'm just going to add the glues in. So first color I'm going to add gold. I'm not going to add that much because yeah. That's enough.
It went flying.
Okay, that's good for that one. Now to the pink. Come out. Okay, that's enough for that color. So we're up to the purple. I wanted to turn blue, but I don't think it won't turn blue. So, but just hopefully it doesn't turn brown. That would be bad. I want it to be purple out of all these colors. So that will be good.
Don't put it on that side.
So now let's find out what color it's going to be. Oh no, this is going bad. The gold is taking over. Look, the gold is taking over. This is not good. I think I added a bit too much gold. Just took over.
Better the color than my one I made.
Oh yeah.
This is the color of my one. It's ugly. And that's the color of yours, so you get a prettier color.
Don't add
You
gold.
get like a rose gold.
Yeah.
Gold
Don't
color.
add like gold to the colors.
Unless you want a gold slime.
Yeah, unless if you want gold slime. But I do not like gold. So this is actually weird. Okay. Now I'm going to add the activator, which is borax. So let's add it. I don't know how much I should add. That's good for it. My sister's just putting motion in. I did not want her to, but I didn't want to add it now. But I don't don't want the activator spell. This is not going good. This is like
You're doing that at the end of my video.
this is not going good. So stop it. This is not a good color. I do not like this color.
Put your hand in.
No, not yet. Oh, this is not so good. Out of all the colors, why do you have to turn this color? Why did I get gold? This is not gold. I'd rather it be gold than this color. What is this color?
That's a nice peach color. Peachy gold. Peach color with gold.
Whatever it is, the color it is, I hate it. So.
Can I touch?
Yeah. Is it sticky?
Activator. Give me more activator.
Fine. I'm adding a bit more activator. So. Okay, yeah, I think that might have been too much, but alright. It will mix in. Stop. No, the spoon fell in. Stop, Olivia. Stop. This isn't sticky because it got activated. Well, just had to get my sister out of the way. Ugh. I'm going to mix with my hands. Okay. This is what I got with. I'm not going to add any more stuff. I can make it better, but the video will take too long, so that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe so you won't miss one of my videos. Bye!